Garlic boat. Have you tried or heard about this vegetable? It is one of my favorites as it is easy to clean and cook. You may agree with me that one of the challenges of cooking vegetables is the step to clean, while garlic boat does not produce this challenge. Let's start with the shopping. This is the Great Wall, a Chinese market near me. As described here, the garlic boat is a good source of minerals and vitamins. Back home, after a simple rinse and wash, let's remove both ends of the boat as they're dirty. And then cut them into half-inch long segments. Well, the potato is optional. I really like the mixed tastes of fried potato with garlic. This is peeled and cleaned already. Cut the potato into half-inch long slabs. And then soak in cold water to remove the starch on the surface. Set aside. Slice some pork meat. If you are vegetarian, you can skip this meat and pork, but go with the potato alone. Do not skip both though, as garlic boat alone does not work. For me, I prefer all of them combined. To season the pork, light soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons, 5 spices, half a teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon of starch. Mix and set aside. In a heated pan, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, let's fry the potato first. Medium heat. Sear until both sides are perfectly brown. Alright, take them out. And then put in the garlic boat. Stir fry This takes about 3 to 4 minutes until the garlic bolts get soft and turn into the darker green color. Lastly, we'll stir fry the pork meat. Add a bit more oil as needed. Once the pork color turns solid, add the garlic bolts and potato back into the pan. One and a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, one teaspoon of oyster sauce or mushroom sauce for a vegetarian version, mix, switch off the heat, and serve. In less than 10 minutes, we just transfer the garlic bolt from this to this. All we need is some well-cooked rice for a healthy and delicious meal. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and check out the other easy-to-follow recipes in my channel. There are over 100 of them. Enjoy, and I'll see you around.